The fire has dimmed a little bit. Tony Caruso almost looked at me and looked away real fast. We've got Amy, Joe, and Messina sitting over in the dark corner.
Can't see us, can he? Can't see your face.
Who is that right there? Who is that? Is that Messina?
Say, oh, Matthew.
Matthew? No, I think everybody's out here at one time. Let's just take a count, because the Blair Witch Project is in effect. Yep.
No! Here comes the Zooty Christmas!
People over there laying down on the ground.
No!
Look at almost going.
Thank you.
What are you guys doing over here? Don't disappear now. It's getting close to Halloween.
No.
Who's this guy over here? With his face in the corner. What's that? Oh, that's a hand. Oh, that scared me. The Blair Witch hand.
Yeah, coming out.
Give me the
Whoa.
phone. Yeah, give her the phone.
Oh, I have to get to it. The fire.
What? Woo!
The camera knows all.
Be quiet. Don't! Olivia, don't! Quiet. Right I'm not. Uh-oh!
There we go. Whoa, spooky.
It's our phone. It's a ringtone. She's just playing.
We're in the middle of the woods. Find us up on and there's a creepy sound. Help us!
There's a creepy sound. I just heard.
Yeah.
Your mouth.
No, do you hear that? Oh, don't. Yeah, it is.
Creepier yet. Olivia, don't be swinging that stick around.
I like it.
That's the scariest thing I've heard all night. Right there. You almost scoot up a little bit too.
I downloaded the wrong peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah, I know.
She wasn't peanut butter
Name of the song? Peanut butter and jelly.
Can you sing that, Tony?
What?
Can you sing that?
No, I said, was that the name of that song? Okay.
Yeah.
Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. I'm not surprised why you're taping her.
I downloaded it and then I played it and I'm like, what the hell is this?
What is it?
Hold on, are we done?
Why are you taping me when I'm trying to look at it?
It's announced out there, Em.
I know, you're tired.
What?
Tard. She's tard.
I can't.
Tell my family talk.
Put your arm back. You want my cookies? Excuse me. Now, the girl is
Let's go in the house. Go change your butt.
Hey Tony, you ever fire walk before?
Not in a while.
Not in a while.
If you would ever just make sure you put material
$100.
Make sure you put material back in the bag if you would.
Sure.
I'll have to run her inside.
Come back out.
It's hard. She almost was asleep.
I'll do it one time.
Sleep out here.
I'll do it.
Get close to the fire, it should be warm.
Yeah, she smells so good.
No, I'm not running to the field of that field. For $1. You owe me $1,000.
$1,000 bucks.
If I run on that field, it's cute. It's girly.
What'd you do? Just get out of bed?
No, that's the crimpy look. Thank you very
Crimpy
much.
look.
Yes,
Crunchy look.
crimpy.
I dare you.
That is the crimpy
You
look.
doing, Steffi? Chewing on hair.
Ew, come on.
Knock it off.
I don't want them to be anything. Especially me.
Gotcha.
No.
Gotcha.
Yeah. You're just acting.
Somebody's yawning. Must be the food.
You ready?
I can do it better than you.
I don't want to. Stop taping.
Stop running in front of the camera.
Mom won't let you anyway.
That's my main on Facebook.
Have you read it?
Oh, what else?
Cute.
What are you doing over there, Tammy? You just get up here?
Cute.
Oh!
Doing my screen, Crystal.
Playing with my goatee.
Okay. You're sure?
I think I'm pretty sure.
Fire in your eyes. There's
She did
fire in my eyes?
something else. No.
Is there?
Who you gonna call?
She said there's fire in Daddy's eyes. Fire in your eyes.
Amy's off in the dark. The Blair Witch Project is going to get her.
We're crying out loud.
Cry, baby.
Stupid. Fire in your eyes. Fire in your eyes. Here.
Oh gosh. Who started the yawning business? I got me going.
Contagious. It's a Blair Witch Project.
What?
I'm obsessed with the Blair Witch Project there.
Who says that?
What?
Who?
Said what?
When?
I don't know what.
Where?
Is that what you're talking about? It's pimp, right?
Huh?
It's pimp, right?
The pimp?
Pimp.
You guys talked in
It's
sync.
pimp.
You guys like twins.
We do that all the time.
Do it again. Talk and
It's pimp,
synchronize.
right?
Synchronized talk.
Okay.
Try it.
What do you want to say?
Whatever you guys can synchronize to.
Anything. Let's synchronize.
That was
Say it
close.
at the same time.
Say the same thing.
Ain't this cute? Yep. Correcting. We can't do it again.
Amy's off in the dark distance again. Still.
We don't plan it. It just happens. Pacific. Correction. Who cares? What is my shoe on?
Get over it.
Ow!
Can't see the star. Hey, there's a star.
Matt!
Those are flames.
Tape yourself.
What?
Tape you.
Huh?
Tape you so YouTube knows what you look like.
I can't let them know what I look like.
Too bad.
I'm a secret all wrapped up in an enigma. Nobody can figure me out and know who I can look like.
I'll describe. He has black shirt on jeans and that's all.
That doesn't say too much. That's
That doesn't say too much.
black shirt and jeans.
Because you're moving around on my foot.
There goes Amy, off in the distance.
Say thank you to Steph.
You're about ready to lose
What? Ew! Fine! It's your turn. What? I was thinking the same thing. What? But you have like Halloween. What? Ew, there's this ugly witch on the front.
You know what happens on Halloween, don't you?
No, she's trying to get Latina. We're not getting candy on Halloween. Well, you know what I want to be for Halloween? Oh yeah, we are getting a jailbird. Half a candy. I want a jailbird. Like, look like I escaped from jail, you know? Where's my other shoe? My glasses. We could just get some other shoes. I want to be a nurse. The witch. Yeah. My grandma has
Up behind Tony.
that we could wear, and then she has
There's the burp.
Yeah.
The whole world's been waiting for that, Tony.
That's the biggest thing.
I can't see the stars.
Yeah, right. He can't do nothing.
No stars in the air. They're there, but my camera must be possessed by the Blair Witch Project.
What side do I
I go on?
The Blair Witch is not true.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah!